Good for replacement fog lamps, add-on fog lights, HID lights, LED daytime running lights, driving lights, LED work lights, off-road lighting kit. This H11 wiring harness kits included 12V40A relay module box, wiring harness with adapters, 30A safety fuse box, and 5-pin LED indicator on/off switch. 8.5 feet wiring harness. More than 8.5 feet of wiring from the switch to lights, also is extendable. Run the harness to your desired lighting location. Efficient protection. Power relay and inline blade fuse act as the first line of defense against overcurrent and short circuit. Pack include 1X fog light wire harness kit. Fog light is not included. Top reviews from the United States. Easy installation and like the power switch. Used this to install fog lights on a friend's car and was pretty straightforward. Dislike the positive and negative battery hookup, other than that highly recommend.